Hey, Kevin, check it out. A mistake on the score. You're going to see it here. Watch. The score is 22-13 in the first quarter with 9:21 left in the quarter. So in 40 seconds, they've scored 35 points. Oh, here they're fixing it. Start of the second. There it is. Let's watch it again. Yeah, first. There it is. Into first. Oh, okay, now we're back to into first. Now they were to start a second. Okay, all right. Okay, now we got it fixed. Yeah. Looks like we have some rookies in the film room, too. First quarter, into first, start a set. I gotta see it again. It's too funny. No way. Yeah, we gotta get that film crew on. Get the puppies organized.